Getting monetization rejected after months of work is one of the most discouraging things that can happen on YouTube. But here's what most creators who got rejected don't know. It's almost never random. There's almost always a specific, fixable reason. And once you know what it is, reapplying and getting approved is very much within reach. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common rejection reasons, what YouTube is actually looking for, and exactly how to fix each one. Welcome back. If you're here, you either got rejected or you're trying to make sure you don't. Either way, you're in the right place. Let's go through this step by step. YouTube doesn't always tell you exactly why you were rejected, but the patterns are clear based on what creators experience most often. Reason 1. Reused or inauthentic content. This is the #1 reason for rejection in 2026. If your channel reposts clips, uses heavily AI-generated content without meaningful original input, or copies a format so closely that it reads as a template rather than a creator's real work, YouTube will flag it. The platform's inauthentic content policy is now enforced more aggressively than ever before. Fix. Review every video on your channel. Ask yourself, is there a genuine human perspective here? Is there any original commentary, original scripting, original editorial choices? If not, those videos need to be revised or removed before you reapply for monetization. Reason 2. Advertiser-unfriendly content. YouTube has a list of topics and formats that advertisers won't pay to be placed against. Controversial political content, misleading thumbnails, excessive profanity, or content involving sensitive subjects without proper handling all fall here. The fix. Go through your video settings and look for any videos marked as limited ads or not suitable for most advertisers. Address those specifically. Either edit the content, add more appropriate context, or remove them. Reason 3. Copyright issues. If you've used copyrighted music, footage, or images without permission, YouTube may flag your channel during the monetization review. Even if you haven't received a strike, patterns of borderline copyright use can cause a rejection. Fix. Replace any copyrighted material with royalty-free alternatives. YouTube Audio Library, Epidemic Sound, and Artlist are all clean options. Remove or edit any videos with flagged content before reapplying. Reason 4. Inactive or incomplete channel. Some channels get rejected simply because they look abandoned. Old upload dates, no channel description, a default avatar, no playlists. YouTube wants to see that you are a real, active creator, which you should be. Fix. Fill in your channel description with a clear explanation of what your channel does. Add a professional channel art. Post at least 2 to 3 new videos before reapplying so your channel shows recent activity. Do a full audit before you hit that reapply button. Here's the checklist. Go through every video on your channel. For each one, is the thumbnail original? Is the title accurate? Does the content provide genuine value? Is any element flagged for copyright? Could any content be considered misleading or inappropriate for advertisers? Check your channel page. Does it have a clear description? Is the channel name professional? Is there an About section that explains who the channel is for? Check your Community tab and any playlists for anything that might raise flags. Once you've done this audit and made the necessary fixes, wait a minimum of 30 days before reapplying. This gives YouTube's system time to recrawl your channel and assess the changes. A rejection isn't a ban. It's a note that says, not yet. YouTube allows you to reapply after 30 days, and many creators get approved on their second or third attempt after making the right changes. The creators who eventually get approved treat the rejection as feedback, not failure. They find the issue, fix it, and come back stronger. The worst thing you can do is reapply without changing anything. If your channel hasn't meaningfully changed since the rejection, the outcome will almost certainly be the same. The best thing you can do is make improvements, add 5 to 10 new high-quality videos, and return to the application process with a channel that clearly demonstrates originality, consistency, and advertiser-friendly content. Getting rejected is not the end of the road. It's a detour with a very specific sign telling you which way to turn. Follow the checklist in this video, fix what needs to be fixed, and come back with a stronger application. If you found this useful, drop a like. It helps a lot. And subscribe because next we're diving into the full monetization checklist every beginner needs before they even apply. See you there.